Have you ever pondered why back pain is such a complex issue? Well, it's because back pain isn't simply about one thing going wrong. It's a multifaceted issue that involves a myriad of factors, from biomechanics and anatomy to genetics and psychosocial influences. Diving right in, the biomechanics of our spines play a crucial role in back pain. Our spine is a marvel of engineering, designed to provide a combination of strength, support, flexibility, and mobility. However, when any part of this intricate system is out of balance, it can lead to discomfort and pain. For instance, prolonged poor posture can lead to an imbalance in the spine's biomechanics, leading to pain. Anatomy, the study of the structure of the human body, also plays a part in the complexity of back pain. Our backs are made up of a complex network of bones, muscles, nerves, and tissues. Any damage or stress to these components can result in pain. For example, a herniated disc, where the soft inner part of the disc protrudes through the tough outer layer, can press on a nearby nerve root, causing pain in the back or radiating pain to other parts of the body. Genetics, too, have a role to play. Recent studies have shown that there may be a genetic predisposition to back pain. This means that if your parents or grandparents suffered from back pain, you might be more likely to experience it too. It's not a guarantee, but it's a factor to consider. Lastly, psychosocial influences cannot be ignored when discussing back pain. Stress, depression, and anxiety can all contribute to the perception and severity of back pain. These conditions can lead to muscle tension and inflammation, which can exacerbate pain. They can also affect how a person perceives and responds to their pain, potentially leading to a cycle of pain and distress. In summary, back pain is a complex issue that involves a multitude of factors. It's not just about one thing going wrong, it's about the interplay between biomechanics, anatomy, genetics, and psychosocial influences. Understanding this interplay can provide valuable insight into the development and persistence of back pain, and it can help guide more effective treatment strategies. Whether it's improving posture to correct biomechanical imbalances, managing stress to reduce psychosocial influences, or seeking medical advice to address anatomical issues or potential genetic predispositions. Understanding the complexity of back pain can empower individuals to take a more proactive approach to managing their pain. There you have it, a multifaceted problem with a multifaceted solution. Back pain is complex, but with knowledge and understanding, it becomes a little less daunting.